This is my quick unboxing of the Rize Blade 2. The essentials: this tool that came with the bike, borrowed somebody's husband, the bait to catch the husband, both or sets of tools, and my air compressor. The unboxing. It's a heavy bike, but I got it off the cargo rack by myself, took the front wheel off, and then pulled the bike out. Then cut off all the packaging. The assembly. First, you install the handlebar because you needed to lift the bike to put the front wheel on. My front fender was bent because the bike was sitting on it inside the box, but we were able to tighten that up real easy. Then we plugged in the lights, screwed it in, and Randy tightened it for me. Getting the pedal in was easy, but the cargo rack was a two-man job. Thankfully, I had these pliers from my friend, and that helped a ton. Randy then put the water bottle on while I pumped up my tires to 25 psi because I ride on more rugged terrain. Total time about 45 minutes, test ride coming soon.